Let's look into this video and know how to write an impressive essay that can win your professor's heart. Let's begin with an insight into a narrative essay. This is an essay that has a single story around which the whole essay is narrated. The 5 main components every narrative essay should include are plot, setting, character, conflict, and theme. The essay is divided into 3 main areas: the beginning area about introduction, like the place, people, and time of the narration. The second or middle area is about rising action to set the story, the climax to turn the story, and falling action to give a satisfying end. And the third ending area is about the conclusion. Here are 5 simple steps to writing an essay, right from choosing a topic, adding details like plot, setting, character, conflict, and theme, creating an outline, preparing an initial draft, and finally editing and proofreading before submission. Closely look at this example of a narrative essay on the topic, My First Proficiency Test. Follow these 5 simple tips to draft a simple narrative essay and get A+. Now you know how to write a narrative essay from this video. So, we hope you draft an impressive essay and impress your professor.